Hello, I'm Dr. Levi Jurich, or Dr. J for short, from Jurich Dental. Today I wanted to speak to you about laser dentistry. Laser dentistry has replaced certain older techniques offering better precision and minimal discomfort. Great results are achieved by a focused, intense beam of light from a specialized dental laser, which we use to whiten teeth, treat gum disease, cold sores, and correct problems such as being tongue-tied by doing a frenectomy. Dental lasers offer a more efficient way to perform many of the standard dental treatments our patients may need. Some advantages to using dental lasers include minimal discomfort, so procedures require less or no anesthesia, no need for stitches, preservation of more of your natural tooth, a lowered risk of infection, and faster healing after treatment. At Jurich Dental, we use the Biolase Epic X soft tissue laser. This reliable, high-quality dental laser is a standard in the industry. It can be used to relieve minor dental or jaw pain, whiten teeth, and improve periodontal gum health without the need for surgery. Here are a few of the most popular dental procedures we offer made easier with Biolase Epic X laser. Periodontal laser treatment, laser frenectomies, canker sore and cold sore treatments, and relieving TMJ pain. Here at Jurich Dental, we're excited to share the speed, convenience, and lower stress of laser dentistry with little to no discomfort. We are skilled with the use of the Biolase laser and have been certified by the Academy of Laser Dentistry to perform a variety of laser dentistry procedures. For questions about our periodontal laser treatment, canker sore treatment, or laser frenectomies, please call, text, or contact Jurich Dental through our website, jurichdental.com.